What's up, everyone? I hope you guys are all doing well. If you're new here, my name is Serge. Welcome to the channel. To all my reoccurring viewers, guys, thank you so much for all the love and support that you guys have shown this channel. And guys, today we're actually at an event that I will be speaking at, so you guys will actually see that later on in the video. And I'm actually going to introduce a couple people in this video that have hosted this event, and they're going to kind of give you guys a little insight on what they do. So guys, if you're interested, make sure you stick around. Alright guys, so we're gonna head inside, so come on with me and I'm gonna introduce you guys to a few people, kind of guys show you guys my setup that I have. So okay. Go inside real quick.
Okay, I'm ready.
Ready?
I'm
Say
ready.
hi to the camera.
Hello.
She is the beautiful woman that is putting on this entire event. Tell them a little bit about yourself.
So my name is Lygia. I'm with InTouch Senior Services. We're a resource center for assisted living. So if we're assisted living homes or any medical provider.
Yeah. How long you been doing it?
Over 10 years in
Over
Arizona.
10, yeah.
Absolutely. So if you have any questions about anything in the industry, you can give us a call and we can help you, or we can find someone else that knows.
Perfect. And I will link her website down below for you guys to go check out. She's amazing.
InTouchSeniorServices.com.
Yes. So I will link that down below. So guys, thank you, Lygia.
Thank you.
I appreciate you. So we're going to go ahead and head over to the table. So I actually have my YouTube videos playing up there. No big deal. I got my own TV. Everyone can have their little marketing cards on their tables. But please someone pause my video. What's going on? But yeah, this is all I really have. I didn't really come prepared to market my home that much due to the fact that, I mean, I can kind of do that myself just by talking to people. So guys, the whole point of this event is to network, right? And I want you guys to understand that, like, there's a lot of people here, right? A lot of different providers, a lot of different people with different services, and it's always just a great way to just network with people that you haven't met. A majority of these people I have met, or I've met someone that they've worked with already, but it never hurts to come to these types of things and actually just let them know what you do, right? So the program just launched. I will be announcing that when I'm speaking. I announced my YouTube channel and everything, right? So everything that I'm doing, I'm gonna announce it all, including my care home. So guys, don't be afraid to just go out and meet other people. So I'm gonna kind of give you guys a gist and behind the scenes of how I just talk with people and how I just ask them what they do, and they come up to me and ask what I do, and that's really how networking works, guys. So hopefully you guys get some value out of this video. So let's go ahead and actually figure out what's going on in my video, and then I'll be right back, okay? Alright guys, so I actually just launched the Academy. It just so happened that the event is being hosted the same day of my launch. So I'm actually going to be promoting it at the event and everything. So if you guys are interested, make sure to click down in the link below. If you guys want to check out the Academy, feel free to go check it out, go through it, and I hope you guys enjoy it. So thank you guys again. I appreciate every single one of you guys. Hi everyone, my name is Serge Lepescu. I can tell you guys that when I got into this industry, I was literally nobody. I was literally the young kid running around. Everyone thought I was just a caregiver. But when they realized that I actually had a home of my own, the trust aspect was definitely not there. Because it's like, what does this kid know? Who has less than 5 years of experience in the industry? Like, who just started? Raise their hand, like, hi. Awesome. Who has more than 5 years? If you guys haven't approached these people yet, feel free to actually approach them. I know, and I'm very honored to be here and to talk to everyone who has way more experience than I do. I actually just released my program and stuff, so that happened today. Guys, thank you so much. Feel free to check me out on YouTube. My name is Serge Lepescu. Go subscribe, go like, comment, all of it, because I would love to just support you guys and help out in any way I can. Trust me, videos convert. You guys need to do that for your care homes. Trust me, it will work, or for whatever business you guys have. Hospice, placement agents, anything, really. So get on there, start promoting yourselves on social media if you guys aren't on there. Business cards are great, but guys, you know, the reality is that we're in the information age and internet's here to stay. So guys, thank you so much. I appreciate all of you guys, And thank you, Legia, for having me here. And yeah, guys, let's go ahead and give everyone a round of applause for being here. Alright guys, so the whole point of this entire event was to actually network and market, and this was mainly focused on group homes or care homes that wanted to meet other providers, kind of get their faces out there, kind of get their home out there. So this whole thing was literally structured around that, and it was the very first event that was actually hosted in this aspect. So it was really nice to see that and see kind of the turnout that there was. And guys, I can't stress enough when it comes to events around your area, and if you guys can, try to get with other care homes in your area and try to start forming an event like this. That way you guys can get other providers, hospices, home healths, placement agents, etc. Because you guys need to make aware that you guys are there, right? You guys want to have a voice for the care home community. So that's what this was all about. And I was very honored to be part of it and to speak and to kind of present myself. And a lot of people really resonated with me and kind of just loved it, right? So that's what I want you guys to understand, that networking is not like the best thing to do, but it is definitely a necessity for growing your business, getting clients, getting your other businesses to be involved with you, and just really building a name for yourself. And that's how you're going to get out there, right? When I started out, like I mentioned in my speech, it was really bad because I did not have a network. I didn't know anybody. Even though this was a hub for assisted living, I didn't know where to start. I didn't know who to talk to, who was good, who had the best intentions at heart, so on and so forth. And for me, now looking a year and a half later, it's amazing to see where I was and where I'm at now and where I'm going to continue going. And I just want to share these experiences with you guys. I am in the trenches with you guys. I'm doing this day in and day out, and it's not something that like I really just want to just sell you guys on something or just tell you guys that it's all great and it's all just blue skies, even though it is blue skies today in Arizona. But it is one of those things that I just want to show you guys that I'm there with you guys. And like, I got to meet some of my viewers here and subscribers and so on and so forth, and I really enjoyed that, right? And I loved talking to more people regarding this entire industry, learning from their experiences. Actually, it ended up happening that we all just really know the same people somehow or one way or another, right? Maybe good, bad, so on. And like, it's really cool to have a community like that you can just lean on and really discuss the problems you're having, the solutions that they're having a lot of success with, etc. So guys, I cannot stress enough, don't be a lone wolf and just pretend like you can do everything on your own, because that's what I went through, and it was very lonely. It was not the best. I went into depression, and you will go into depression when you really have no one to lean on and really have nobody to call to like for support. If you do have family and stuff, that's great. But guys, understand that this is all so vital to your business, and I can't stress that enough. So guys, for everyone who actually purchased the program, thank you so much today. You guys will be watching this a couple days later, but thank you so much for everyone. I appreciate you guys all, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you guys enjoyed the speech. Hopefully I didn't butcher it, but if I did, just give a thumbs up, smash that subscribe button, guys. Leave a comment down below, and I will see you guys all in the next video. God bless.